Question is Hazrat Ali alayhi salam was married to. Answer is Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha. The question is who is the first caliph of Islam? Answer is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu anhu. Question is which prophet wrote with pen in this world? Answer is Hazrat Idris, peace be upon him, first wrote with pen in this world. The question is there are how many Makki surah in Holy Quran? Answer is 86 Makki surah. Question is which prophet married to 99 women? Answer is Hazrat Dawood, peace be upon him. Question is which prophet first made gold coins with gold in this world? Answer is Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. Question is how many times order is given to offer prayers in Holy Quran? Answer is almost 700 times. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel and support us. Like the video, comment and share with others. Thank you once again for watching this video.